Hi juniors, this is your step-by-step on how to locate your quarter one task in Naviance. So your first step is to go to clever.com and log in with your laptop username and password. Once you've logged into your Clever, you'll find your Naviance icon. Which will bring you to your Naviance homepage. You're going to scroll down and under important to-dos and tasks, you're going to look for the task that's assigned Complete Career Interest Profiler. Once you move to your planner, you're going to have to find the link next to the pink arrow that says Complete Career Interest Profiler. From there, you'll read through the introduction and then you will hit start, prompting you to move into answering some questions. Once you get to the end, please make sure that you've completed the task and it is removed from your planner. If you have questions, feel free to contact the College and Career Center and we can help you complete your task.